Welcome friends. In our academic discussion, today's topic is TI parade or test identification parade. TI parade is actually a significant step during the course of investigation of a criminal case. It is conducted for identification of the persons and properties, particularly when the identity of the accused reportedly who has committed the offense is not very clear or is something doubtful, or the accused is not clearly known to the witnesses, then there is a necessity for conducting of a TI parade of such person. And this TI parade is conducted after arrest of the accused. The position of law is very clear that as soon as the accused is arrested, forthwith, without any undue delay, the TI parade should be conducted. And before such TI parade, the face of the accused or any photograph or videograph showing his face should not be exposed in public. Because if there is at all any scope on the part of the people to see the accused before he is put to TI parade, then the very purpose of the TI parade would be frustrated, or there would be lack of fairness in the TI parade. Therefore, when the accused allegedly involved in theft, dacoity, robbery, burglary, murder, rape or any other case is likely to be put into TI parade, his face is covered by the police people from exposure to the public. And this is the reason that his face should not be exposed, and if at all it is so exposed, then it may be a kind of defense plea for the accused that the TI parade was not in accordance with the law. Similarly, TI parade is also conducted for identification of the properties. Any movable properties, may be stolen property, may be property of subject matter of any criminal misappropriation or cheating, etc. Besides that, some articles which are seized from the scene of crime or from some suspected place, and if there is any possibility that that particular article can provide any clue for further proceeding of the investigation, that can also be put into TI parade for identification by the witnesses. Previously, TI parade as a concept in criminal investigation was being conducted in accordance with Section 9 of the Indian Evidence Act. But subsequently, in the CRPC amendment, a specific provision, that is Section 54A, has been incorporated, wherein there is a very express provision with regard to conducting TI parade for the purpose of identification of accused. But so far as identification of property is concerned, that is being still governed by the provisions contemplated under Section 9 of the Evidence Act. So far as the procedure of conducting TI parade is concerned, as soon as a suspect or accused is arrested, and if it is found proper to put him into TI parade for the purpose of his identification by the witnesses, then he will be forwarded to the court and a prayer will be made to the jurisdictional court to conduct TI parade. And it should be ensured before conducting TI parade that the face of the arrested person or any photograph or videograph showing his face was not exposed in public. And fairness would be maintained while conducting the TI parade. The witnesses will be called, and the person so subjected to TI parade will be intermingled with at least 8 or 10 persons of alike appearance and age. Thereafter, the witnesses who are required to identify the person, they will be called on. And in the process of identification, all the witnesses will not be called on. The witnesses will be called one by one, and while one witness is identifying the accused from amongst the group, it should be done out of the sight of other witnesses, so that no witness will be swayed away by the identification of other witness. Similarly, while conducting TI parade in respect of properties for the purpose of identification of a particular property, it will be mixed up with alike articles and will be put in the test identification parade to be identified by the witnesses. If the identity of the accused is previously known to the witnesses, there is no requirement for conducting a TI parade. And no undue or unreasoned delay should be there in conducting the TI parade after arrest of the accused. Because any delay occurred in conducting TI parade, that will be adversely viewed if it is not properly explained by reasonable grounds. TI parade or identification of a person in the TI parade is not itself an evidence. It is not substantive evidence. It is only a piece of circumstantial evidence which can come in aid to other evidence. If it is linked up with other evidence and if a chain is completed pinpointing guilt of the accused, then TI parade will be taken into consideration as a linked evidence. Hence, if TI parade is duly proved in the court by clear and cogent evidence by the witnesses, then certainly it will strengthen the prosecution and more credibility will be attached to the prosecution evidence so that an offender can be properly punished. Thank you.